Here's my last closing exercise that I would love to do. It's one of my favorites. I learned it from a facilitator named Nate Folan in New Hampshire, and he called it Group Anthem. No singing involved. Really simply, we've spent 75 minutes together, and then before that, the keynote in the large group. What I want you to do is just come up with a closing statement about our time together. One closing statement. The only catch, and tune in here, the only catch is your closing statement must begin with one of three phrases. I am, I believe, or I will. So I am, I believe, or I will. Think about what your closing statement is, and we'll go a whole handful of tosses, and then my mom always taught me to end the party while it's still fun, so a handful of tosses, and then I'll send you out of here, all right? Second to think, closing statement about our time together. It begins with I am, I believe, or I will. Once you catch it and speak it, look for the next person to throw it to. I'll kick us off, and then toss your hand up, signaling that you're next. I am, because I'm going to end, these are my last words. I guess I'm going to stop the activity, so that will be my last words. I am really grateful for your attention. Your attendance was borderline mandatory, but your attention was not. And so I'm grateful for you giving me one of your only non-renewable resources, your very, very precious time.
Hello, my name is Carmelita Weekly, and I will be creative and making transparent relationships. I will.
Just toss it. Hand up. Just toss it. Whoa!
My name's Asia, and I am going to try to work better with our groups at school, doing more group activities.
Hands up to go next.
My name is Tara Babb, and I will use a lot of this informative information that I received in this workshop today to better access my parents and group activities at my facility.
Nice.
I'm Dana Crawford, and I believe I was supposed to be in here today.
Love that.
Surely not. I'm Andrea Pikegoff, and I'm excited to use some of these new techniques I've learned here to make me a better facilitator. I think it'll work for us all.
And scene. Thank you all very much. Appreciate it.